everyone, welcome to my bathroom. It is day 2 of the 7-day declutter challenge, so we are going to give my bathroom some much needed TLC. We are going to clean, we are going to organize, and we are going to be ready for spring. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is my mess of a bathroom. I have been needing to get to this a long time coming. So as you can see, it's very cluttered, very unorganized, and I've really just been throwing stuff around. So let's go ahead and get that taken care of. Start by taking literally every single thing out of that closet, and it wasn't until this moment that I realized exactly how much I had. So I was actually able to throw away a few things, but I did realize that I used most of it. And welcome to my Bath & Body Works addiction. You know, you can never have too much hand soap. I'm pretty sure I have more in the guest bathroom. I will be using this Method all-purpose cleaner. It smells just like grapefruit, so I absolutely love the way it smells. It leaves a citrusy smell, no bleach smell, so that definitely helps. And it gets all the grime off of the shelves. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a paper towel and clean off all of these. And it's crazy, I did not realize how much dirt built up over just a couple of months off of these shelves. So yuck. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and sweep the floors. Also, I didn't realize how much junk got on the floors because usually we keep our hampers there. So this was a really good deep clean. I got all of that dirt off of the floors, so now those are nice and clean and ready to go. I didn't do a lot with my hair stuff. I already had them in this basket, so pretty much what I'm doing here is just standing everything up that fell over. So Austin and I have travel bags that we take. We visit family a lot, so we use these pretty often. So I'm just going to stick those up in the corner. Now I'm going to refold all of our towels because we weren't really paying attention to how we folded them. So the way I like to fold it is I will fold them in half long ways, then I will fold them in half again, and then I will fold them into thirds just to make them small little rectangles. It actually does save a ton of space with your towels in the closet. As you can see, I'm just going to fold it long ways. Then I'm going to fold it in half again. I think you call that sandwiching. And then fold it into thirds. Make a cute little rectangle. You should try it with your own towels because it saves a ton of space. We have a lot of wash rags and hand towels. So earlier before this video I was able to declutter a few of those. So now I'm just going to refold them and put them into this cute little farmhouse themed basket. I'm just going to put the towels back in their rightful spot in the closet. If you can look compared to the beginning of the video and see how much space this is saving, it is amazing. And then I'm just going to put that basket with the rags right beside the towels so they're all in the same spot. I got this cute little turntable off of Amazon, so I'm just going to go ahead and put our daily medicines in here, like our vitamins, allergy relief, things like that, just for easy access. I didn't have enough room for the other medicines like our allergies and our cold medicines, so I'm going to put them in this cute little basket, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put them in the closet. So I already had this white shelf on hand, so I just stuck that in the closet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the medicine baskets right under it, and then I'm going to put that turntable right on top, so then all the medicines are in one spot, and it's pretty compact, so easy to reach, and it saves a ton of space. for the feminine products, I got this idea off of Pinterest. I'm pretty sure I had this organizing bin from Target. It was sitting in my closet, so I just used that one. So instead of having 2 or 3 boxes of your feminine products, now you can just fit them all into one little organizing box. And then they're all in one spot, and then you can decrease your clutter at the same time. Some smaller stuff that we have into this small 3-drawer organizer. I got this from Walmart, so I'm just going to stick small things like our tweezers, our razors. Austin has a lot of beard oil, so I stuck that in there. So this is really nice for your smaller products. Had this small basket on hand. I'm pretty sure I got it from Walmart in the flower section. I have a lot of skincare products and they fit perfectly in this box, so I just went ahead and went for it, and I'm going to put that in the closet. Now for my daily items that I use, like my deodorant, my lotions, I'm going to stick in this container and I'm going to put it in a drawer that I get into on a daily basis. This basket is just going to be full of random items, including my extra soaps, maybe some extra medical supplies, our sunscreen, random travel items that we have. So any random items that I don't really have a place for are going to go in this tote, and then I'm going to stick them at the top of the closet so that I know they're there, but they're not in the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this toilet paper in this cute little tote from Target. This is a drawer where I keep my hair ties, my bobby pins, and a little bit of makeup that I do have. So I got this cute little 3-pocket organizer from Amazon, which I will link in the description box. It has been really handy, and it is so easy to grab all of my hair ties and bobby pins in the mornings because I usually wear my hair up for work. Then I also got this plastic organizer from Amazon, and I'm going to put my very few things of makeup into it. It's not going to be pretty, but it's going to be in one spot and kind of organized, so that's better than nothing. And now we have an organized closet. I have a couple totes up top which have our random items, including our travel stuff. Our towels are nice and folded. Everything's in a cute little basket. All of our medicines are in one spot, and everything is easy to grab, and our hampers fit perfectly under the shelf. So now we have everything we need in this closet, and it is all organized. This looks so much better than it did before. My somewhat makeup drawer is organized. My daily stuff is in a cute little box. And then I just stuck the toilet paper and a couple of other loose items under the sink. Austin doesn't really like when I touch his stuff, but I went ahead and just put it in baskets so that it was somewhat organized. So I'm pretty sure he's going to be happy about that. Now it's time to clean. Here are some of my favorite Method products. So I'm going to use the Grapefruit All Natural Cleaner. Smells so good. And then I'm also going to use this All Natural Daily Shower Cleaner as well. It is definitely one of my favorites. They also have a foaming one, which works good too. And then the glass cleaner, of course, which works like a charm. I do keep all of my cleaning products organized in this tote that I got from Walmart. It's like a little caddy with a handle, so you can carry it from bathroom to bathroom, or you can keep a lot of cleaning products in it and carry it around the house if you want to. So I would definitely suggest getting one of these caddies so that it makes your life a little bit easier. Alright, now let's go ahead and clean our shower. So I'm just going to spray down the whole thing with that Method Daily Shower Cleaner. And then I'm going to give it a nice good scrub, get all the grime off. Then I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it off with water. After that, I'm going to take a paper towel and just rub all of the sides that maybe I missed, or the outside of the tub especially, because sometimes I forget to do that on a weekly basis and the dirt builds up. So go ahead and scrub the side of your tub. Now for my least favorite part, which is the toilet, I'm just going to go ahead and use that grapefruit all-purpose cleaner so that it smells really nice. And then I'm just going to get this done really quick. This part totally grosses me out. I hate cleaning the toilet, but I just get it done and over with. And I make sure to get the toilet bowl a good scrub so that it's all nice and clean. I do this on a weekly basis, but make sure that you remember to clean the bottom of your toilet. Sometimes it's easy to forget. Alright, now let's go ahead and clean the countertops. I am also using this grapefruit cleaner. It is all-purpose, so you can use it on any surface, and it makes it smell so good. I know I say that a lot, but it smells like grapefruit in the whole bathroom, and I just love it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a paper towel and just clean all around the countertops. Make sure you get really good around your faucet, because that's where a lot of dirt and grime can build up. Give it a good scrub over by the wall. Make sure you get under the countertops, and you'll be good to go. Next, I'm going to use the Method Glass Cleaner. I love it. It literally looks like my mirror is sparkling after I clean this, but make sure to use a microfiber cloth, because that's how you will get all the little dust bunnies off of your mirror. Alright, go ahead and give your floor a good sweep. Make sure you get all the dust and dirt off of the floor. It will feel so much cleaner and smell so good. And guess what? You are almost done cleaning the bathroom. Alrighty guys, here's the finished look. Ignore the shiplap wall, that is a work in progress. I will indulge on that later. But here we are. Maya is nice and tired from watching me clean, and we are all done. Day 2 is down. Now our bathroom is clean. I don't know about you, but I feel 10 times better when I have a clean bathroom, and the fact that it doesn't smell like bleach is even better. I used the Grove Collaborative products, which was the method that I showed. I have a link in the description box below, so if you go click that, enter your email, and purchase $30 worth of cleaning products, you will get a free Mrs. Meyer's gift set with my link. So if you haven't used Mrs. Meyer's, you are really missing out, because they have dish soap, hand soap, multi-purpose cleaner. I mean, they have everything, and not only is it non-toxic, but it smells amazing. So right now my bathroom smells kind of fruity, and the really cool part is that I can smell it all the way in the living room. So there's no bleach smell, it is non-toxic, and it smells up your whole house. So walking into a clean house, having it good and clean for spring is definitely awesome with your Grove products. So go ahead and give that link a look, and go ahead and get your free gift set, because who doesn't love free stuff? Don't forget to check out my blog at lifewithcallie.com. There you can find the 7-day declutter challenge blog post, which includes a free PDF that you can download or print and follow along. I included quite a bit more information there on decluttering and cleaning, so go ahead and give that a look. Otherwise, go ahead and subscribe, because day 3, which is the kitchen, will be coming up, and I'll be doing all 7 days on this YouTube channel, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you guys for watching.